Hi guys, we have just arrived at the Kimpton Clocktower Hotel in Manchester and we've just checked into our junior suite. This is room 400 and it is set up for a family in this room. So there's two huge, I think, king size beds in here. Huge big mirror, gorgeous wardrobe, TV, and there's also a little dressing area. We've kindly been left some little goodie bags as well, which was really kind. And in them, there is some sweets and juice and crisps. That's really nice. So gorgeous big room. And also there is a separate living room as well, which is fab for having a family. So huge big sofa, TV in here, and really lots of space just to relax, which is really nice. And quite unusual for a hotel room to be this big as well. There's a lovely bathroom with shower over bath and lots of little amenities as well. Lots of toiletries, some illness goodies. Yeah, so a really lovely room, really happy with it. We've checked in today because we fly out from Manchester Airport tomorrow, so it's nice to start the holiday with a bit of luxury. The cool bit about this room is they've got a record player that can be used, and they've also got a selection of records to play. So got a Great Showman, Spice Girls, Take That, so I'm sure we'll have fun later playing with them. But yep, this is Junior Suite 400 at the Kimpton Clocktower Hotel in Manchester.